Joshkun, and we're back for more Joshkun adventures. And today we are playing Aeroplanes. So let's get started. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to it. This is gonna be a good one, guys. I promise. This is gonna be a really good one now. Guys, I promised that would be a good one, and it was.
Wow, good catch.
This is gonna be a really good one, guys. Okay, I better watch for the airplane. Guys, did you see that move I done there? It was really cool. That was a good one, wasn't it? Please subscribe. I'm telling you now, subscribe. Oh no! Oh no!
That's in the pool area. Oh no.
Sorry.
I got this, guys. Here we go. Here it comes.
Wow! Oh my God!
That was a good one.
I was just getting the open. This is gonna be a really good one.
This way. Come do it from here. Come in here.
Okay, this is gonna be a good one.
Last one. Here comes the
Last one! Last one for me too, that means. Oh, okay, give me one more try. I'm gonna have one more try, guys. I hope you like that. Thanks for watching